Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Zoom. Today I will share you about a very great app to scan any video reel on Facebook. Anyone comment in a reel on Facebook. Here is a Excel file I just import from uh, from the software. So you can see the you can get the profile of any people comment in a post. So it is very great for MMO business and marketer want to get data from very successful other successful business to get the data and it very easy to use but because it use the software. So let's see how I do it. The first one, you can choose any video reel on Facebook like this. Here is Cristiano video. So here is about the 300 comment. If I want to scan all the comment, I copy this video real link. Come back to the MPT UID. You can convert this link to the UID. So after you scan to the UID, you copy its UID and back to the scan real scan function. You go to scan real command and enter the real UID here and save it. Select some account and save. You can choose here some setting in here. I choose the its real ID scan. I choose 100. So start. Let's wait a minute to use your account when your account scan all the command. So as you can see in here, you can see the profile UID. You can use the profile UID to do your marketer. You can send video, send some message, add friend, or do your business very easy. So you can in here with under the minute I get very easy to get 100 data, and you can import this file into the Excel file to get the data, and you can get Excel file like this, and you can copy all your UID profile to do your business, and here is very expensive data. So if you want to get uh, so our MPT UID have many with function. Our with function. If you want to buy MPT UID, contact me in the bio or the WhatsApp or Telegram number or screen right now. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.